Okay, so this is the song. It's just like a little ditty. It comes from like an Arduino example. But let's go over this again. What happened was we defined some sounds based on actual frequencies of notes. We made an array, which is a list of notes. So like note C4 is the first note, and then note G3 is the next note, and then another G3, then a note A3, and then a G3, and then like nothing, like a rest, and then a B, and then a C4. And then we made another, and when you do things like this and um, you keep integers, you keep a list of them, this is called an array, okay? And the first position in the array is 0. That's its index value. This is 1. This is the thing that's in spot 1. This is the thing in spot 2. This is the thing in spot 3. Thing in spot 4. This is the thing in spot 5. This is when it's in spot 6, and this is spot 7. And notice that there are 8 things, but the highest like ranked spot in the array is one less than the total. So it's like 7 for 8 things. And then what we did is we made these sort of note durations, which is like this is indicated quarter note, eighth, quarter, 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 quarter. Everything else is a quarter, okay? But there's 8 things to offset these 8 things. There has to be a one-to-one correspondence, otherwise you'd have like an array problem, okay? So what's going to happen is we are going to generate a note duration based on 1,000 a second, okay, which is 1,000 milliseconds, by taking 1,000 milliseconds and then dividing it by whatever the current note duration is, okay, for the current note. So we're going to start at note 0, which is C4, go to this, note durations index of 0 is 4, so divide 1,000 by 4, and then we're going to use this tone command, okay, which is off of pin 8, which is what we have in our Arduino. Arduino is wired up to pin 8, see? And that will allow us to play our note, okay? We decided to have like a pause between notes, okay? And so we compute that actually, and then we'll delay it. And then there's a thing called a no tone, which kind of turns off the sound. What will happen is if you say play sound, we'll play it until you tell it to stop, basically. And then that's it. We have nothing in the loop part. Okay, we don't play it over and over again. We only play it like once. Okay, that's what's going on right now. So let's hear what it sounds like, and then we can fool around with it. I don't know if it'll sound so great, but it'll at least sound. Okay. Something happened here. What did I do wrong here? Okay, I got an error because it didn't put the second comment thing in. So you need 2 slashes to make a single line comment. You can also make a comment by putting a whole bunch of like you can use multi-line comment is made like this. This is a long comment. It just keeps going. And if you go like this, you can end the comment. Okay. So there's 2 ways to make a comment. One is like double slashes, like this is a comment. Okay, and then you can make another one like a multi-line one like that. Okay, but let's test out our upload our thing and run it. See what happens.